to me here more money.
It's a me who I make come for my money. It's a me pay free with you. I mean, hey, Mike, oh, my papa. Mama, Maka is school time. Never it's killing killers. Say it's really nobody.
Son of my being.
I am a boy to your glass.
We are so taking my baby papa. Yeah, you free to have an enemy decline.
I know I see a book free to allow them.
My boss, and our remedies.
Hey, pass
him on.
Obi a to me share me paper so chiro me din na wu di asodi. Hey, why you bibi? Boy.
My wife. E date na da ben.
November 22nd November.
Wow.
Is that not my boyfriend? Like, seriously?
Girlfriend.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
What's up? Are you okay?
Yeah, sure.
Are you sure? So where are you going?
I'm going to get something.
Abena.
You're going to get something?
Sure.
Are you okay?
What is going on here? Abena.
Yes.
Aden. Riene koso.
I know about an empty. Miss Many Bemana, my day, it's who quite. Some means many Bemana.
I don't know about the Bemana.
Oh, please.
No. What's going on?
Don't mind him, okay? What is this?
When I met you, I said, from a chi.
That's also from a chi. Now they jail in me. Who from a chi?
It's one of some will be a mouse.
Now, so much to say, no, but I must be sassy. Excuse me to say this. I'm his friend, best friend. He's also my friend. Yeah.
Sorry. Please, I don't know you, okay?
Oh, seriously, are you doing this? Ouch.
Abena.
Seriously.
What good you say?
You're just doing this to piss your boyfriend out.
Like, why would he also do that?
He's not my boyfriend. Come on, girl, I'm getting married.
You're getting married, so why would you work with somebody's boyfriend at this time of the day?
He's just a friend from crèche. So he's my best friend. He kept looking for me because, like, it's been a while. You see me?
Seriously.
Girl, you're not supposed to act childish.
Let's go.
No.
Let's go.
Are you doing this?
No, let's go.
I don't want to be a problem in your house.
I can't stand here. Let's go.
No. I don't want to be a problem in someone's relationship.
Let's go, please. Let's go.
I'm having a boyfriend. I don't want her to embarrass me in public.
We will settle this matter at home. Let's go, please. Let's go.
I don't like.
No. Let's go.
Can you imagine?
Let's go.
She did this.
Let's go.
Seriously, babe. Sweetheart. So you're leaving me, right?
I'm really surprised.
No, it's not supposed to be like that. You understand?
I don't know, yes, sir.
I'm sorry. I thought she was your girlfriend. That was why I did that. I'm sorry.
No, Nikwasa, yes, sir. Why you me? SHS friend.
Sorry.
Girl, you acted childish. Next time, don't do that.
It's fine. I'm sorry.
Okay.
Oh, that's so sweet of you. Hope you guys are coming to my wedding together. So, hope you guys will be coming to my wedding together. Oh yeah. I don't want to see this again.
Okay.
Yeah.
So meet
Thank
my
you.
friend.
Nice meeting you.
Matilda.
Up and out.
Okay.
Alright,
Okay, so let me leave you guys here, so I'll go back to the house. Okay.
Okay.
Have a nice day, and thanks for the weekend.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay,
I will call you.
Okay, yeah.
Don't be doing that, okay? It really hurts, yes. It really hurts.
Okay.
I'm sorry.
You know I like you.